How to add shadow to text in Picsart. Want your text to stand out? Here's how to add an effect in Picsart. After inserting text onto your image, click on the text layer. Then go to the effects panel and choose shadow from there. Adjust the offset, blur, angle, and opacity to customize the shadow exactly how you want. Change the shadow color, then click apply. Do you use shadows for all your titles? Let's talk about it in the comments below. A soft gray shadow can give text just enough lift without looking too heavy. It's great for minimal designs. And that's how you can add to text in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.